Hey. The 5 biggest mistakes contractors make with their marketing and how to fix them. So I'm going to take a little bit of time here to explain just this. My name is Paul Myers. I'm with PM Consulting, and our signature offer is the Contractor Marketing Engine, which helps contractors book more jobs, close more deals. Technically, your marketing isn't not just working, it's actively costing you money. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 biggest leaks in your marketing budget and how to plug them fast. Okay? We've been doing this now. This is my 9th year doing this. 7 years with another agency, almost a year with my own, and before that, I was doing it as a side hustle. So I love helping contractors. Let me just show you a little bit about what I want to share with you today. One of the biggest mistakes is when your phone rings, not answering it. And then more importantly is if you can't answer it, it's getting back to them within that first 5 minutes. It is crucial. So there's all kinds of studies you can find online that talk about that. It says here, research has proven the effect is exponential. A study by leadresponsemanagement.org found that contacting a lead within 5 minutes makes you 100 times more likely to connect than waiting an hour. Harvard Business Review reported that companies are 7 times more likely to qualify a lead when they respond within the same hour. And according to Velocify, conversion rates jump 391% when the response is under 1 minute. So look, if we know that, and we have technology that we can access, you as the contractor can access, then why in the heck are we not deploying that? It just absolutely makes no sense to me. So let's look at this. This was just a website that we just finished, and it's dialed in. It has smart web forms. It has voice AI. It has conversational AI. It has phone numbers that are attached that also ring to AI. But here's voice chat. So now through your browser, someone lands on your site, it's 2 in the morning, you're sleeping, and they have a question. They can talk right here to this agent. So this way you don't miss an opportunity. It'll book an appointment if we set it up that way. It is trained on your business, so it knows everything about your business. It never takes a day off. It's always on. It's always there. This is taking care of almost everything from your website when people land here and how they can interact with you. So this is very important. The next thing I want to show you here is if we go to, let's say we go to Contact Us. These forms are connected to full automations, okay? And this is important because you don't want to do this manually. So when someone fills out a form, we kick off an automation with that form. So any form that's connected, we add a tag to the form telling our client, our contractor client, where that lead came from. We create an updated contact, and then we send an email and an SMS to that prospect saying, thank you, we received your information. We also send an email to the team, and then we also send up a follow-up task. So this is when someone fills out a form on the website. When someone conducts business through the live voice AI agent, we also notify the owner of the business via an email and SMS that he just had a new successful voice AI conversation. And then we also send the conversation transcript to the prospect as well. So they have a copy of everything that the AI agent has said. So slow response is costing you money. It really is. It's costing you a ton of money by not being able to handle every single call. And I get it. You're on the job site, you're up on a ladder, you're in a ditch, you're doing your thing, you're doing what pays the bills. I 100% understand. And that's why I'm such a proponent for get technology to handle all of this for you. There's no need to try to do this yourself. Let's deploy some technology. So listen, schedule a time on my calendar. I'll put the link in this video. Let's hop on a call, 15 minutes. We can map out your AI strategy. If you haven't adopted AI yet, I strongly suggest you take a long, hard look at this, and I'm here to help you with it. So anyways, I hope this helps. Just remember the 5-minute rule, that if you can't answer your phone right away, which is always the ultimate, to make sure you call back within the first 5 minutes, because you're not the only contractor out there. People are impatient. They're not going to wait. They're going to go to the next person. And if that next person answers a call, good chance you're not going to get a call back. Anyways, I hope this helps. Again, my name is Paul Myers, PM Consulting, and the Contractor Marketing Engine.ca. Our signature offer is on that, and what we do for our contractor clients. So if you're HVAC, plumber, electrical, roofer, if you're renovation, if you kitchen, bath, any of those guys, this is who we work with. Okay, have a great day. Thanks.